If I could go back and talk to my 70-year-old self, there are a few things I'd say. I'm 81 now, and these are 5 things I wish I knew at 70. 5. Time moves faster than you think. At 70, 10 years sounds like a long time. Then suddenly you're 80. Don't put off the things that matter most. Number 4. Keep moving. You don't have to run marathons. A short walk every day can make a bigger difference than most people realize. But you do have to keep moving. Number 3. Stay connected. Friends matter. Family matters. It's easy to spend more time alone as we get older. Don't let yourself become isolated. 2. Take care of your health before you have to. I wish I had paid more attention to the little things. Good sleep, good food, regular movement. Small habits add up over the years. Number 1. Don't act old. This may be the biggest lesson of all. Too many people decide they're old before they have to. Keep learning. Keep laughing. Keep making plans. Keep looking forward. I'm 81 now, and I'm still learning every day. Those are the 5 things I wish I knew at 70. I'm Steven, and I'm on a journey to 90 plus. If you'd like to come along, subscribe to Healthy Senior Living 50 plus.